In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hard reset a Sky 4.0 smartphone. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to fully power the phone off. To fully power the phone off, press and hold down the power button. Power off. Okay. Okay, with the phone fully powered off, you need to press and hold down the power button and the volume up button at the same time until you see a screen appear. Once you see a screen appear, then let go of both of the buttons. Okay. Okay, now let go of the buttons. Okay, now you're going to see a screen that says no command. Now what you need to do now is press the power button. Okay, now what you need to do is, using the volume down button, go to Wipe Data Factory Reset. Okay, now to select Wipe Data Factory Reset, you need to press the volume up button. Using the volume down button, go to Yes, Delete All User Data. Press the volume up button. Okay, now to reboot the phone, press the volume up button. There you go, the hard reset is now complete. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.